right, boys and girls, welcome to Virtual Field Day. Today I am explaining the paper airplane cornhole. And in this game, you will need 3 airplanes. I went on YouTube, I just figured out some different ways to make airplanes and made a variety. So I have 3 different airplanes. And you will need a hole, your cornhole, to throw those airplanes into. It can be anything from a basket to a bucket to whatever you decide you want. And finally, you will need a score sheet to be able to keep track of your points. So, in this game, you will need 2 people. I have my 2 volunteers over here. I have Miss Charlotte and I have Miss Grace, who will be doing our demonstration. So what they are going to do is they are going to be taking their airplanes. They're going to be throwing the airplanes in for about a minute. We're going to go a little bit shorter on our demonstration, but their attempt is to throw that airplane into that basket. Now, if it makes it into the basket, you get 2 points. If it doesn't make it into the basket, you still get a point. So, we have our scorekeeper, who will be keeping track of the score, and the thrower, who will be throwing the airplanes or flying the airplanes into the cornhole. So come on up here, Grace. You get to start. So I would have a timer. I'd be setting it for a minute. Go ahead and start, Grace. Woo, 2 points. Oh, 1 point. 1 point. Go ahead and grab it. Go grab it again. Do as many as you possibly can in that minute. Keep going, Grace. Oh, 1 point. Woo, 2 points. And 1 point. Go grab it again. All right. Ding, ding, ding. We will have done 1 minute. Fast forward. How many did she get, Charlotte?
She got like 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8 points. Congratulations, Grace. All right, now this is when you get to switch. If you can be with your parent or a friend or your brother or sister, either way. All right, or you can just challenge yourself. All right, so we're going to start the timer. You ready, Charlotte?
Yes.
Go. Oh, 1. 2. Oh, I was just going. And 1 point. All right, you got 3 points. Go grab them. Go grab them quick. And go back to your starting spot. Don't forget to go all the way back to your starting spot. Uh-oh. All right, quick, quick. All right, fast. Oh. 1 point. Woo, she got 2 points on that one. Good job. And 1 point. Woo, good job. How many did she get, Grace?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
She got 7 points. Congratulations, girls. Great job at cornhole. Woo! Airplane cornhole. Woo!